I'm Stephen Hardy, Editorial Director of Broadband Technology Report and Program Director for the 2019 Diamond Technology Reviews, in which VIAVI Solutions Network and Service Companion earned 4 diamonds. I'm speaking with Reynald Dupuis, Product Line Manager at VIAVI. Reynald, what kind of challenges does the NSC help to meet?
There are 2 main challenges for the service providers and the contractors with FTTH. So the first one is technician efficiency. They have to deal with many things, the fiber drop, the equipment to install, the home sometimes. And so that's a lot to take, and they have to do everything very fast. So that's why we made the complete test under a minute. The second one is customer experience, customer satisfaction. So when you sell a 1 gig over fiber, it's a big expectation from the end customer, to get that 1 gig. So service performance is key, is critical, and we, with the network and service companion, the field technician and the contractors will be able to measure that service performance.
So what are the major points of innovation within the NSC?
So the first one, and that's the first in the industry, is to combine in a single test device the PON test interface, the Ethernet, and the Wi-Fi, 3x3. So like that, the field technician got all the test interfaces he needs to do the job right first time and in a very efficient way. The second point is for each of those 3 interfaces, he will be able to test the physical layer, so it could be the optical power levels on GPON, for example, as well as the service performance. And for the service performance, he will do that with the speed test, and it could be either a nuclear speed test with possibly public UCLA servers, or with the VIAVI TrueSpeed speed test version.
And so what benefits will service providers and contractors see as they're using the NSC?
So there are many, and if we look at the 3 stakeholders, so the first one is the technician. So for the technician, it will be very easy, simple, and efficient. 1 button, 1 screen, 1 minute, and he got the whole test suite run. For the end customer, he will be able to receive, by email, real time, a clear report about the service performance he has purchased. And finally, for the service providers, they will be able to get the full visibility on all the installs with all their either own field tech or contractors they have sent in the field. So complete view of what had been done, and hopefully with the successful closeout test.
Thank you very much, Reynald. Service providers and contractors are constantly looking to improve customer satisfaction, and test equipment vendors are helping them along the way. For Broadband Technology Report, I'm Stephen Hardy.
Find out more at Vicom's website.